So today I'm going to be teaching you how to divide numbers. All right. So in division of numbers, there's something that we should always remember, and that will help us to do division easily without stress. And that is, we'll do division, then multiplication, then subtraction. We'll keep repeating this process: division, multiplication, subtraction, division, multiplication, subtraction, till we get to the final answer. All right. So let's answer the first question. We have to divide 550 by 3. So let's divide 550 by 3. So in doing that, we'll write 550 inside the box, then 3 will be outside. And the reason is because we want to be removing 3 from 550 and we want to know how many times we can remove 3 from 550. So since we are removing 3 from 550, that means 3 will be outside the box and 550 will be inside the box. All right. So the first thing we'll do, don't forget, we'll be applying this rule: division, multiplication, subtraction. I'll keep repeating that. So we'll say 3 goes into 1. That is, how many times can we remove 3 from 4? How many times can we remove 3 from 4? We can do that once, and that's the division part. Then the next part is the multiplication. So in multiplying, we'll say 3 times 1, we have 3. Then we'll rule our line. We've done the multiplication. Then the next part is the subtraction. Okay? So in doing the subtraction, we'll bring down 0, bring down 5. 4 minus 3 will give us 1. So we're done with the subtraction. So we'll go back again and do our division. All right. So we'll say 15 divided by 3. Or simply put, we'll just say 150 divided by 3. But to make it easier, when we say 15 divided by 3, we'll get 5. Then this 0 will be added to that 5 to give us 50. And how do we prove that? 50 times 3 will give us 150. So we'll say 3 into 150, we'll have 50 times. So we have done the division. The next thing to do is multiplication. Then we'll say 3 times 50, we'll have 150. Then we'll do our subtraction. This will give us 0, 0, 0. All right, so our answer is 150. To confirm if this answer is correct, all we need to do is to multiply 150 by 3. In other words, we say 3 times 150, and that will give us 450. And that confirms the answer is correct. So let's answer the next question, which says 645 divided by 20. 645 divided by 20. So write out 645 inside the box, then 20 will be outside the box. All right. So 20 goes into 64, or we say we'll remove 20 from 64. How many times can we remove 20 from 64? We can do that 3 times. We have done the division part. The next part is the multiplication. Then we'll say 20 times 3. 20 times 3 will give us 60. Okay. Then the next part is the subtraction. That will say 5 minus nothing will bring down our 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. 6 minus 6, that is 0. All right. So we have done our subtraction. The next part is division. So we'll say 20 goes into 45. How many times? It goes 2 times. And the next part is multiplication. Then 20 times 2, we have 40. All right. Then we'll do the subtraction. So 45 minus 40 is 5. So the next thing we're going to do is to say 20 into 5. Or how many times can we remove 20 from 5? It's not possible. All right. So since it's not possible, we'll put our decimal. Then we'll add 0 to the 5. And that becomes 50. So 20 into 50 is 2 times. Then the next part is the multiplication. 20 times 2, we have 40. Then we'll rule our line. And the next part is subtraction. 50 minus 40 is 10. All right. So how many times can we remove 20 from 10? It's not possible still. So what we need to do in that case, we'll add 0 to the 10. It becomes 100. Then we'll now say 100 divided by 20. Or how many times can we remove 20 from 100? That's 5 times. So we'll write out our 5. So the next part now is multiplication. 20 times 5 is 100. So our final answer is 32.25. All right, 32.25. All right, so let's solve the next question. So we have 495 rather, 495 divided by 20. All right, so keep repeating the same process. All right, division, multiplication, subtraction till we get to the final answer. So 49 divided by 20. All right, or 20 into 49, we can have that two times. We've done the division part, so now let's do the multiplication. 20 times 2, we have 40. Then the next part is subtraction. So 5 minus nothing, we bring down our 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. All right. So we say 20 into 95. How many times? It can go 4 times. So write our 4. 20 times 4, we have 80. Then we'll do our subtraction. So 95 minus 80, we'll have 15. All right. We'll have 15. So the next part now is our division. So 20 into 15, or how many times can we remove 20 from 15? It's not possible. So what we need to do, we add a point here and we add 0 to this, becomes 150. So 20 into 150, we have 7 times. Okay, 20 times 7 will give us 140. Then the next part is our subtraction. All right, so 150 minus 140 will give us 10. Okay, so 20 goes into 10, not possible. So we'll add 0 to that, it becomes 100. 100 divided by 20, or 20 into 100 is 5 times. So our answer for that question is 24.75. All right. As you're watching this if you're watching this for the first time on any of my platforms, do well to drop your comments and don't forget to like and please share this video. All right, and also do well to subscribe to my channels and follow me on all platforms. Okay, so let's answer the next question. The next question says 668 divided by 5. 668 divided by 5. All right, so we'll approach it step by step. Okay, so 5 goes into 6, we have 1. All right, that's the division. Now let's do the multiplication. We say 5 times 1, we have 5. Then we'll rule our line and we put our sign of subtraction. We'll bring down 8, bring down 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, so the next part now is the division. So 5 into 16 is 3 times. 5 times 3, we have 15. We rule our line, we put our subtraction sign, bring down our 8. 6 minus 5 is 1. We're left with 18. So we now say 18 divided by 5, or 5 into 18 is 3 times. 5 times 3, we have 15. We rule our line. 18 minus 15 is 3. All right. So 5 into 3 is not possible. So since that is not possible, we put our decimal and we add 0 to 3, it becomes 30. 5 into 30 is 6 times. Then 5 times 6, we have 30. All right. So our answer is 133.6. 133.6. So let's answer the next question. As you're watching this, perhaps if you have a question, just feel free to drop your question at the comment section, all right? And I'll do well to answer your question. So the next question, which says 784 divided by 20, okay? We'll apply the same approach in answering this. So we'll say 20 into 7 is not possible. So since we cannot remove 20 from 7, we'll say 20 into 78. So how many times can we remove 20 from 78? That's 3 times, okay? Then we'll say 20 times 3, we have 60. Rule our line. Then we'll do the subtraction. 4 minus nothing, we have 4. 8 minus 0, we have 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. All right? So 20 into 18 is not possible. So since it's not possible, we'll now say 20 into 184. 20 into 184 is 9 times. All right. 20 times 9, we have 180. All right. So 184 minus 180, we have 4. Okay. So 20 into 4 is not possible. Since we cannot remove 20 from 4, we put our point and we add 0 to 4. This is now 40. So how many times can we remove 20 from 40? That's 2 times. Then 20 times 2, we have 40. Okay? Do well to drop your comment at the comment section, and don't forget to please like this video, and let's make it go viral. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.